Alright guys, a very quick video on how you can enable secure boot in Windows 11. First, you want to restart your PC, and while your PC is restarting, you will spam the delete key on your keyboard. Ignore the dirt here. You want to enter the BIOS, so I'm just going to restart anyway. You want to enter the BIOS of your motherboard. If the delete key doesn't work for you, you can go search for the key combination, how you can enter your BIOS for your specific motherboard, but for most, if you spam the delete key, you will be able to enter it. Once you are inside the BIOS here, you want to click on settings, and then you want to go into security, and nope, you don't want to go into security, you want to go into advanced. Now right here you will see Windows OS configuration. Click on that and you will see the secure boot option right here. You want to click on secure boot and it's going to show you whether it's enabled or disabled. Here you want to click on disabled in your case, and you will click on then enabled. You want to go back, so go all the way back, and you will just save your settings, save and exit. You want to save the changes, click on yes here, and now you can exit the BIOS, and that is how you enable secure boot. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.